Creating an event registration page on Squarespace is straightforward and can help streamline your event management. Here's how to do it. Log into Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and selecting the website where you want to create the event registration page. Create a new page. In the left sidebar, click on Pages. Then click the plus icon to add a new page. Choose Page from the options. Title your page. Name the page appropriately, such as Event Registration, and click Enter. Add a form block. Click on the Edit button on the page. Then click the plus icon in the content area and select Form from the block options. Customize the form. Add fields for necessary information, such as name, email, phone number, and any other details you require. You can also set up a confirmation message after submission. Configure email notifications. In the form settings, set up notifications to receive emails whenever someone registers. Publish your page. Once satisfied, click Save to publish the event registration page.